Hello friends, today I will tell you a story. The name of the story is The Importance of Hard Work. In a village, Balanpur, a boy named Taro lived there. He was very naughty. Do you know what the naughty children do? They like to play and not study, and they like to just wander around and have fun. Similarly, Taro had no interest in studies. Every day he used to borrow money from his father. He would spend all his money over frivolous purchases. His father Sukhi was a poor farmer. He was very worried that Taro didn't realize the value of money. Taro came to ask for some money, but he refused. He said to Taro, "Go to the village market, earn the 20 rupees that you need. If you fail, you will not get any food tonight." Taro wanted that money without any hard work. He went to his mother and told her about the conversation with his father. He begged her to give his money. Taro's mother had pity on him and gave him the 20 rupees. He ran to his father and gave him the money. Sukhi was surprised. He said, "Taro, did you actually earn this money?" But Taro didn't reply. "Fine, now do one thing. Throw this money into the well." Taro went to the well and threw the 20 rupees into it. Sukhi knew right then that his son had not earned that money. He had simply received it from someone. Sukhi said, "I have asked you to earn money. Why did you borrow it from your mother? Tomorrow you have to go to the market and earn this money for yourself. I will not tolerate any excuses. If you fail to earn this money, you will have to go hungry." Taro was surprised how Sukhi knew where the money he had thrown in the well had come from. Next day, he again went to his mother and told her everything and asked to borrow 20 rupees. But this time his mother refused. So Taro went to sister and told her the whole story, then asked her to borrow him 20 rupees. His sister took pity on her brother and gave him the money he needed. Taro was very happy. He went to his father with his money. Sukhi suspected that Taro had not earned that money, so he asked him to throw that money into the well, just like the previous day. "I know that you have not earned it by working hard." Taro threw the money into the well again. He never understood the importance of his action. He also wondered how his father knew that he had simply borrowed the money. The next day, Taro had to earn the 20 rupees. He decided to take the easy way again. First went to his mother to borrow some money, but she refused. Then he went to his sister and she also refused. Now Taro didn't know what to do. He had no idea where to get the money from. He left the home. He was scared that he would have to go without food that night. Out of fear and frustration, he began to weep by the roadside. A man was carrying a heavy bag in his hand. The man approached Taro and asked him, "Son, why are you crying?" Taro replied, "I need 20 rupees urgently. My father has asked me to earn this money. If I don't, he will not allow me to eat food tonight." The man felt sorry for Taro, but realized that his father was trying to teach him something important. He said to Taro, "Your father is right. You have to work on money. Nobody will pay you without any work. I am going to the railway station myself. Why don't you carry my bag? I will pay you for it." Then the man gave his own bag to Taro to carry it to the station. The bag was very heavy, but with great difficulty, Taro was able to carry it to the railway station. The man paid Taro the 20 rupees for the effort. The young boy was suddenly encouraged by this. He decided to help other passengers and carry their luggage. During the course of the day, he earned 30 more rupees soon. It was evening and he had 50 rupees with him. He went to his father and gave that money to his father. Sukhi again asked him to throw the money into the well. Do you think Taro threw the money into the well this time? No, he didn't. Instead, he told his father This money is not borrowed. I have earned it by hard labor. I will not throw it into the well. I worked at the railway station, carried loads on my head. I did hard labor, so I will keep the money safely. Sukhi hugged his son with great affection. He now knew that his son had learned the value of money. I hope you have also understood the value of hard work. You should continue to efforts in the right paths. After this incident, Taro became a changed boy. He studied very hard and did well in his school. The moral of this story is that it is important to work hard to achieve something in life. Did you like today's story? If so, I would love to hear it from you. You can leave your comment. Thank you.